Now, we now know about logarithms, right? What is a logarithm? What is a logarithm? What is it?
Another way to write.
Say it louder.
Another way to write something.
That word, what's that word? An exponent. A logarithm is a what? An exponent. That's the big question, all right? A logarithm is an exponent, right? So we're going to use that to solve logarithmic equations. Logarithmic equations are equations that involve logarithms. And in order to solve, right, a logarithmic equation, remember that a logarithm is just an exponent. So if I have this, log base 8 of x is 4/3. This is a logarithmic equation, right? If this is a logarithmic equation, and if I read this as log base 8, if this is a base, right, it needs an exponent. Every base needs an exponent. What's the exponent here? If the 8 is a base, 4/3. This is the exponent. So now what,
It's like in a circle.
It's like, exactly. So now I can rewrite this as x equal to the base to the power of the exponent, right? And since we've now mastered chapter 7, I know exactly what that is, right? What's 8 to the 4/3? Right, it's the cube root of 8, which is what?
2.
2 to the power of 4. 16. All right. So look at this one. I have a logarithm with a base of 16. If that, every base needs an exponent. What's the exponent here? 5/2. So x is 16 to the 5/2, right? And what is that? 4 to the power of 5. It's how much? 1024. Okay? All right. Remember, okay, so this could show up on your non-calculator section. If it shows up on your non-calculator section, then you could just say 4 to the 5th. Not 5/2, not 16 to the 5/2, but 4 to the 5th. Simplify it. Okay, property of equality. So now, what's the difference between, okay, what's the situation here? You have one logarithm on one side, okay, so one logarithm on one side of equation. All right? What's the deal here? Right, but what's the difference? You have two logarithms on either side of the equation. All right? So 2 logs in equation. All right, now what you need to do is this. You need to check, is the base the same in both logarithms, right? Log base 4, log base 4. If the base is the same, then all I have to do is set the inside equal to each other. All right? So then I say x squared is equal to negative 6x minus 8. And now that's a quadratic equation. X squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Does that factor? X plus 4, x plus 2 equals 0. X equals negative 4, x equals negative 2. Now, once you have your answers, you have to go and check. You have to check that the left and the right are the same, and also that when you put the value of x inside the log, you don't end with a negative value inside the log. So you can't have log of a negative number. All right? So let's see. you have log base 4 of 16. Is this equal to log base 4 of 24 minus 8? Yes? Yes. They're the same. This is just 16. Are you guys with me? You have to check both. So now, what about the other one? Log base 4 of 4. Is this equal to log base 4 of negative 16? No, positive 16. No, positive 12, sorry. Minus 8. Does that work? Yes? So both of them are answers. Okay? Questions? All right. Let's do this next one. So log base 5. I'm sorry. We have log base 5 here and we have log base 5 here. They're the same. So I set the inside equal to each other. X squared minus 10 is equal to 3x. X squared minus 3x plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 5, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is 5 and negative 2. All right, so let's check. Does x equals 5 work? Log base 5. When I put 5 in here, what do I get? 25 minus 10, that's 15. Does that equal to log base 5 of 15? Yep. What about the next one? Log base 5. Now negative 2. So here I get 4 minus 10. What do I have? Negative 6. Already, that's not cool. Okay? Already, you're done. You can't have log of a negative number. Okay? Can't have log of negative number. You know, if you get a negative in one side, you're already...
No, for each answer you get, you try to put both sides.
Correct. But look, for this one, I already got a negative on this side, so I stopped checking. I don't even go to check the other one. Right. So the answer is just x equals 5. Yes. Then you can't solve it. Yeah. All right. Now